Tired of scorched rice? Frustrated with inconsistent results? It's time to ditch the old and embrace the future of rice cooking with induction heating technology. Induction heating rice cookers aren't just a novelty, they're a game changer, delivering perfect rice every time with remarkable ease. These high-tech marvels utilize electromagnetic energy to heat the cooking pot directly, resulting in precise temperature control and even cooking. Forget mushy, undercooked, or burnt rice. Induction heating ensures fluffy, flavorful perfection in every grain. Induction heating rice cookers are more than just appliances. They're investments in culinary excellence. They elevate the humble rice cooker to new heights, transforming it into a kitchen workhorse capable of producing restaurant-quality results. Whether you're a seasoned chef or kitchen novice, these innovative appliances simplify the cooking process while delivering exceptional results. Join us as we delve into the world of induction heating rice cookers and discover why they're quickly becoming a must-have in kitchens worldwide. Induction heating might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but the technology is surprisingly simple. Unlike traditional rice cookers that use a heating element at the bottom, induction heating generates heat directly within the cooking pot. Here's how it works. An induction coil beneath the cooking pot produces a magnetic field. When a ferromagnetic pot is placed on the cooker, this magnetic field induces eddy currents within the pot itself, generating heat. This direct heating method offers unparalleled precision and control. The temperature of the cooking pot, and therefore the rice, can be adjusted instantly, ensuring even cooking and preventing hot spots. Traditional rice cookers, with their indirect heating methods, struggle to achieve this level of precision, often resulting in unevenly cooked rice. Induction heating eliminates these inconsistencies, guaranteeing perfect rice every time. The benefits of induction heating extend far beyond perfect texture. By precisely controlling the cooking temperature, these cookers unlock the full flavor potential of your rice. The even heat distribution ensures that each grain cooks to its optimal level, releasing its natural sweetness and aroma. No more bland, mushy disappointments, just fluffy, flavorful rice that complements any meal. But the advantages don't stop there. Induction heating is also incredibly energy efficient. Since heat is generated directly within the cooking pot, there's minimal energy loss to the surroundings. This means faster cooking times and lower energy bills. Induction heating rice cookers are also incredibly versatile. Many models come equipped with various cooking settings, allowing you to prepare different types of rice, porridge, soup, and even steamed vegetables. When choosing an induction heating rice cooker, there are several key features to consider. Look for models with multiple cooking settings, allowing you to prepare a variety of rice types and other dishes. A keep warm function is essential for maintaining the perfect serving temperature, while a timer allows for convenient meal prepping. A durable, non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning and prevents rice from sticking. Consider the capacity of the cooker, choosing a size that suits your household's needs. Don't forget to factor in the design and footprint of the appliance, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your kitchen. Navigating the world of induction heating rice cookers can be overwhelming, so we've compiled a list of our top picks to simplify your search. For the budget-conscious home chef, the model offers exceptional value without compromising on performance. Its intuitive controls and multiple cooking settings make it a great entry-level option. If you're looking for a feature-packed powerhouse, the rice cooker is an excellent choice. With its advanced, fuzzy logic technology, automatic keep-warm function, and a wide range of cooking settings, this model delivers perfect results every time. For larger families or frequent entertainers, the rice cooker, with its generous capacity and sleek stainless steel design, is a top contender. Upgrading to an induction heating rice cooker is an investment in culinary excellence and kitchen convenience. These innovative appliances take the guesswork out of cooking rice, delivering perfect results every time. With their precise temperature control, energy efficiency, and versatile cooking capabilities, they elevate the humble rice cooker to new heights. Whether you're a rice aficionado or simply seeking a foolproof way to prepare this kitchen staple, an induction heating rice cooker is a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Embrace the future of rice cooking and experience the difference that precision and innovation can make.